Meaning of extrasensory perception.
Extrasensory perception.
Extrasensory perception.
Extrasensory perception.
Extrasensory perception. Extrasensory perception, ESP, refers to the ability to receive information through means other than the known senses. This includes telepathy, clairvoyance, precognition, and psychokinesis. Despite intense study, there is no concrete scientific evidence that proves the existence of ESP. Many researchers believe that anecdotal evidence is not sufficient to prove the reality of ESP, and that such claimed abilities are likely due to chance or deception. While some people may claim to have psychic abilities, there is currently no verified proof that supports the existence of extrasensory perception.